Welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll walk through how to fix iPhone screen delay. Here are the steps to fix iPhone screen delay, slow touch response, or delayed screen actions. First, restart your iPhone. Next, force restart, hard reboot. Press the volume up or volume down, hold side button until Apple logo appears. Clean the screen. Wipe your screen with a soft dry cloth. Dirt or moisture can cause delayed touch. Remove screen protector if damaged. Crack or thick protectors can affect touch sensitivity. Close background apps. Swipe up and remove unused apps to free up RAM. Free up storage. Go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, and delete unused apps or photos, then files. Update iOS. Go to Settings again, General, Software Update. Install any available update. Disable background app refresh. Go to Settings, General, Background app refresh. Turn it off or limit it. Reduce motion. Go to Settings again, Accessibility, Motion. Turn on Reduce Motion. Reduce transparency. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Display and text size. Enable Reduce transparency. Turn off Bluetooth. Sometimes accessories cause delays by going to Settings, Bluetooth, turn it off temporarily. Remove heavy widgets. Long press the home screen. Remove widgets that slow the phone. Reset all settings. Go to Settings again, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset, Reset all settings. No data is deleted. That's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.